the name of the game, right?
That's the name of every video game. Do it all to just do it again and film it. It's like a rehearsal. I did a dress rehearsal with watercolor parts.
What's going on, you guys? Today we're in a different space. We're here with Dom, and he has this awesome new project that I would like to say that I kind of helped push him into building PCs, but he was going to be there anyways. But yeah, he let me jump in and get some behind the scenes footage. He's over there hiding behind his camera suitcase. He doesn't have a microphone, so you won't be able to hear him. But yeah, today we're gonna just be taking a look at what behind the scenes of real YouTuber life is like, especially for one that's building a PC with the video quality that you've come to expect from someone as good as Dom.
Can you see me in the shot?
I think so. Get out of your way in just a second.
You're not in the shot at all.
Perfect. Then I'll stay in your way.
All these bags are just RGB splitters. So many of them. And I just realized that I'm probably gonna have to go plastic dip one. Hold one end or something. I don't know. Or I just do it, let it dry and flip it.
Yeah.
Probably better that way. I can't have white cables in an all black build. Like that. So I'll zip tie these to, or I'll just zip tie everything to this. All my cables have to fit down this one little channel, which seems pretty impossible.
Well, this is it, right?
What?
This is all the rest of the cables.
Yeah, no, this will be it. Well, once we get the RGB stuff for the thing.
You want to push and I'll screw, or you want me to push and you to screw?
Fuck. They popped out.
Both of them?
Yeah. Undo that. You're gonna have to tighten it evenly.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Which way do I have to go?
It's pretty straight on. Is it in there? Oh yeah, it's in there. Okay. Cool. Yes, success.
Alright, now just don't touch it.
Don't ever take the cables out of here ever again, basically. This can go back to here.
That splitter cable right there for me. Hashtag plastic dip.
Plastic dip is life.
SLI bridge dilemma. Dom didn't realize he needed this cable plugged in. He thought that the gigabyte board would be enough to control the RGB LEDs. A quick reference to the manual let us know that that was not the case. Back into the cable tunnel.
When plastic dip fails, electrical tape.
Mandatory Scrapyard Wars break with some food. Hashtag important. That's all. Busting out the slider.
Yep. About that time.
funny thing is, I haven't really shot that much. I have 2 shots on here.
Yeah, from tonight?
Yeah, like a lot of it was just like the waiting game.
Let's see how many times he'll put in the same fitting.
Well, let's assume that I've already put on all of my GPU stuff. But we'll assume that I should actually tighten these.
Yes, you should tighten your fittings.
Well, not like, because before I was just putting them on there to plan it out, you know, and I didn't tighten them all the way.
Oh, I can't believe you even said that.
No, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean, right?
I do know what you mean.
Like, because before I was just testing stuff, and I was just trying to, you know, plan it all out. But now it's like I should screw them in all the way. Make that face in the right direction.
A tight fitting is a happy fitting. Oh yeah, you're
There's
doing your crossover.
There's some
that
that's
way.
what she said joke in there.
It's just such a big camera.
Yeah, it is a really big camera.
Where do you have your 6500 out?
No.
For scale, what I'm shooting on?
I don't.
Okay, so this is the A7R2, and this is like bigger than the camera that I'm shooting this on right now. And yeah, that's just like crazy
This
different.
is the backup cam right now.
Hashtag backup.
Yeah.
And then his backup is the same as the camera I'm using.
How does that make you feel? If it doesn't have an O-ring, it's in my bag of O-rings.
Somewhere in that box.
In
Over
that
there.
black bag right there.
Oh, in the black bag.
That's my O-ring bag. That's my O-bag.
Oh. This is how Dom gets all of his super sick shots. Not all of them.
Second shooter system.
It's a $3,000 slider system.
Yeah, but you're really good with that manual work too.
Oh yeah. But this helps, like, I can't do, some of the stuff I just can't do without something like this doing it for me.
Yeah, the repeating shots where you move stuff around. Ooh, you're putting in he's filming, guys. Shh, quiet on the set. Another thing I saw that was cool. Velcro, SSD, MacBook.
Gotta keep that drive in place, man.
The things you learn.
The more you know.
By the way, all of these fittings were on here at the start of the day when I got here. Every single one.
Yep. Took them all off to put them back on.
That was when his red shirt was on. You'll see it at the beginning of this video.
Well, they've already seen it if they're at this point.
I know.
If you've made it this far, you know that he was wearing a different shirt.
Fittings. Fittings. Fittings.
Yeah, I'm gonna look up and total out how much I've spent in fittings alone.
A lot.
A lot, yeah. I know it's a lot.
Are you counting the overnight delivery for your ball valve?
No.
This little fitting beast in here. Are they all tight?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. I tightened them. They just feel so loose because they're all rotary, you know?
Yeah.
It sketches me out. Rotary fittings sketch me out so much.
Well, not much has changed except for the couple $100 in fittings. They're all over the place.
This build should just be called 90 degrees. Because that's all I'm doing.
Tighten your fittings, kids.
Always tighten your fittings.
Dude, look at how loose that is. That is so sketch. I know it's fine. But it shouldn't be so, like...
What? Oh, you focus, camera. Alright. Let's put some tubes in here.
Yeah, it's about that time.
About that time. I only have 31 minutes of recording left.
So we have to hurry with the tubes.
Yeah, you have to bend tubes fast. The first tube has been placed.
Huh.
And this is where we stop. Good night.
Yep.
So something you don't see with Dom's water-cooled bills is him bending the actual tubes that go in the system So first real tube bend for Dom on video.
What I usually do is film a bend after I've already put in the tubes, so that you see me bending a tube and I'm actually really bending it, but it's not the one that went in the build. It's for dramatic effect.
Here we have a lot of the tubes done. Just got to get that front tube installed that's already bent, and then that bottom tube bent and installed. We have one more stick of tubing leaning up against the door.
That's enough.
For one tube.
Well, you say it's enough now.
Yeah.
But five 45-degree angles later, and
yeah, it may not be enough. So here we go.
Okay, when I tell you to press this center button.
Okay.
Sec.
Ooh, fancy. I get to push buttons.
Even though I don't know if I got it in all the way, you don't know that on the camera, you know? Nobody actually knows that except you know that.
Huh. Yep. All 12 of my subscribers.
Yeah.
One of them being you.
I'll send people over.
Now I get to see it in my shot.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Here, I'll
No, it's fine.
Well, I guess yours is behind the scenes.
True behind the scenes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show them this side of the table too.
See, I clean up the shot, not the room. So like the videos I make, everything looks so clean and tidy, but if you really looked at my office, it's a disaster.
Major disaster.
It is, and you know too.
Yeah, I've
And
been a part of it.
there's just spaces that look clean, but not everything is clean.
It was satisfactory.
Just give it 10 out of 10.
Let's not go that far. You haven't seen the comments yet.
Now that it's in there, I can actually put it in there.
Yeah. Alright, well, this is where I cut off. I hope you guys had a good look at Dom's behind the scenes Threadripper monster build. Pain in the ass.
That you're done? You're done with the video now?
I've got 1% battery left. It's 2:20 in the morning. I've been up since 5 a.m. yesterday. I am done.
Yep.
There's tubing in it.
It's pretty much tubular.
Yeah.
Totally
And-
tubular, bro. Looks
Yeah.
pretty good. Except I'm probably gonna change that.
Oh, he's so nitpicky about that one in the back
Dude,
corner
it's
that you won't even be able to see.
But when I took the picture is when I saw it really. Like I took a straight on picture and it's just curved up a little bit.
Ugh, whatever.
It's just.
All right, say bye, Dom.
Bye, Dom.
And we're back. So Dom didn't like the way that this lined up, so he's taken this T-fitting setup off in order to add another extender, a little male to female spacer, just to make it more level with the front of the case, which when the glass is on you won't be able to see at all. So
when I'm shooting with the glass off and from
Yeah.
the side,
and that's the tube he wants to redo.
it's an easy little tube. It's just hard to get in.
They're all hard to get in.
They're becoming easier.
When you're into PCs like this, it's hard to get it in.
Oh,
Flip it over.
this is how it goes. UAM problems.
It's 2:30 now. For reference, 2:30. 2:27. Shouldn't lie to you guys. You do nothing
Wait.
to deserve me lying.
You sure this is gonna cause a problem?
Yeah, that will cause a problem. Actually, shut it. Put it back down.
I mean, it's fine. It's
What do you guys think?
right up on the glass.
I mean, the computer's already gonna be built by the time you see it, but leave a comment below.
You really don't have an opinion that's valid. Or, we're just asking.
Yeah. Well, this is actually where I'm gonna leave it. Getting the final look before I'll see it on his video. Behind the scenes with Dom Esposito and his Threadripper build. I don't know if he's going to call it Black Ice 2 or not, but it should be. Alright, you guys. Leave a comment down below, like this video, subscribe, check out Dom's channel if you happen to get to mine first, which would be a weird coincidence. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day.